with you? How can you beat up a child like that? Who gave you the right to beat up a child like that? I'm just coming from one of the parents' house. Is that how to beat up a child?
Ma, the child was so stupid.
Shut up! Shut up! You don't have any right. You want to tarnish the image of my school?
No, ma.
That's what you want to do, my friend. You want to tarnish the image of my school. Just go in. I've had enough of your nonsense. You just work for 1 week. Go in first thing tomorrow morning. Come and collect your salary. First thing tomorrow morning. Just go in as I'm talking to you. I don't want to come here tomorrow and see you. Go in, put this uniform, pack your things, and leave my school. Ma. Nonsense. Keep mad to yourself. Nonsense.
I found my house. No longer na ikasamo.
Say.
I found my no longer na ikasamo. I found my house. No longer na ikasamo.
What did they do this man? What did they do this man? What be this thing? What be this thing? What this man they embarrass person every time? What be this thing now? Bia? Oga? What did they do for that place? Eh? What did they do there? Now you ask me that. See what they do with your life. You don't swear say this is your life when you come. Say na drink you go use kill yourself. You don't swear like this. You don't get anything. What you use with this your life do again?
Now you be that Roma.
You just the embarrassed person for this village. As you like that there now, what do you think say they do for that place? That place now your house. You don't go useless your life for that mama and boy place. Come now. Come. Stand up from that place, they go house. Stand up from that place, they go house.
Bruno.
No.
Now you be that.
No be Bruno. Now Bruno. Okay, stand up, they go house.
What is that? Shebi, I tell this woman, make you give me a plate of unkobi and 1 green bottle. What did happen?
Let me ask. They ask you that question.
Hey.
You don't go stand up from that place, go house.
My pikin. Now you be this.
You don't go house now. When make I push you?
No, who provoke you? Now who be that person?
Okay, stand up, they go house.
Okay, for house. Yeah?
Just they behave like small picking.
Okay, house. I see. We are going house. Eh?
Wait.
That is
Where you they go? Okay, turn back, they go your house. Turn back, they go your house. I go push you now.
You see,
Turn back, they go your house.
I've told Nigerian government to make their money to be at par. $1 equal to naira. At par.
Mama boy, if I come there, you don't die. I don't tell you something, you don't give this man this drink. You are happy that he's just my papa. You don't hear what I mean. Mama boy, you don't. Okay.
Why did you do that? Yeah?
Stop calling anybody.
Shut up! Shut up!
Stop it!
Shut up! I'm giving it to you. Shut up! I said shut up! Shut up! I said come back here! Come back here! Come back here! I will show you, idiot! I will show you! Stupid woman.
Now every time they go hear on our voice for this copper. Every day when they fight, when they rest. They're not going to allow people make they rest. Now wow. Oh, Papa! Why you lock this door? Now tell me one reason why you lock this door. Why you know that me and you they come back home now? Why you lock this door? Shabina, I don't become bad person. Because I can't carry you from where you be the sleep. You don't say me, I dey follow you for back. You go lock door, Papa. Go open this door. Go open this door now.
My begin. What do you
You
have?
take my water.
Okay. I will take one, take drink medicine. Come carry two, keep. Make I use them, take the food.
Papa, what happen now? When I buy the water for me? Che, water no dey butter again. Why you not carry water from butter?
You know, say, I know won't get malaria. I go give you the money.
Before this water come here, you know they drink water from butter, abi?
I will give you the money.
Butter bring am o. I don't want if I go come back, I don't go see that money. If I go come back, go give me that money o. Else no go chop for this house.
I will give you. No, it never be war. We know the fight, yeah? Don't say market come. If you come, I will give you the money. That one no be wahala.
Market never even start. Now don't they drain my gain.
Go too fast. Don't too fast. Go want to come back, yeah?
Wetin be this now? Wetin be this thing now?
Sorry, no.
Wetin be this thing when you and your husband no go give me person drink water drop for this compound?
Hey, don't do now. What's it called? They make you they dance like say na Holy Ghost fire. I take touch you. You just they dance up and down.
Wetin be this thing wey you do now?
I don't tire. I don't tire for this guy. I don't tire. I don't tire.
Business wey I never start. I never even start am. Una don dey frustrate my life join. You and this your boyfriend, if you no want marriage again, come up for the marriage now. Why you dey stress me and yourself too now? Why you dey stress?
Okay, but don't come out now. Where I want go? No man now. Man not the outside. Man not the outside. Where I want go? Where I want go? Okay. How much?
Man no that side. Now when they go kill you, you go leave am, abi? Now when he go kill you, you go leave am. You don't go leave am now. Go save your life. You don't go leave am, abi?
I don't to put money. I don't to put money for this boy head. I don't to put money for his head. He never even pay me back. And now the thing they resemble saying life go soon better. And now he don't they cheat, they behave like this. I don't to invest. I don't put money for his head. Yeah, what for start, eh?
Okay, you don't to invest. You dey invest on top your boyfriend head.
Exactly. That's how they put all the money to say, you know, in life go soon good. Make we chop life. Exactly. I don't know what I go come do now.
We never reach marriage. Now when they do like this,
I dey build them.
I don't pay my water. Pay for my water, make her go business. Time don't go. I beg. I no get strength.
How much?
Count and tell.
Where I want see money? I don't talk to you now. She not go me. Where I want start all the money where I don't get. I don't carry and put on top this boy head.
Where I want see my own money too. Where I want see my own money too. Where I want see money buy this water and replace her. Where I want see money.
I don't know. You be businesswoman now.
Madam, count am now. Know how much you go give me. Make her dey go market. I beg, I no want talk.
Oh no, I beg now. See what I love. I beg now. I go help you clean the sand.
Madam, you go pay that money, oh. You go pay for that way you pour now. Pay am, make her dey go work.
How
I
much?
beg, no time. How many water dey?
Where I want fancy money now? I suppose when you stand like this and not get anything. I don't carry all the money. Give man.
Still pay. You go drop some. You go must drop
I
something.
don't invest all my
I
money.
come on here, oh. Me, I don't invest my money for this pure water business.
I don't invest them now. Why you gonna do like this? Money where I don't invest, I never even get repay.
Madam, go call your boyfriend. Make it come pay. Make it come see what he cost. Where's your money? Give me pure water, I will pay you. Bring your money. Give me water now, they test. Bring your money now. Wait. Bring your money. Let me that. Wait, come back here. Come here. Come. Hey! This is not tip from me, oh. This is not tip my water. Go punish all of una the craze there. Una mama, una papa there. Una the craze. Una get like say, I know observe one time. I mean, this is a fight in our water. I don't know that still now one see from me. Go punish all of una there. 150 don't miss from my water. I'm 150. 150. I know they talk of the one where my work come my pa do for house. When I go the thief more. Na street today oh. Also hard. Na street all day. Nah.
Operation number one. Operation number one. Operation. Hey, my pikin. My pikin, sorry. Good evening. This one when you come back in, wetin can happen? You like say they don't give you lift and shift for where they work. Yeah, but they don't give you lift and shift.
You know, they say if person want kill you, now just people wait there inside your house, now your insiders, like your family members, your house, that they go kill you first. But my God go shame you. My God, in fact, he don't shame me already because I may be madam of my own job now. They don't promote me. I be madam of my job.
You know, say if they change work like person where they change rapper, and I make me at the talk. What do you cook? Are they hungry? Decoration number one, yo. Decoration.
Waiting. Even you want, you know, space there. You want to enjoy me?
Decoration number one. Decoration number one. Decoration number one, yo.
Let's see that's where they hide.
Nothing, no. Nothing.
Nothing.
Mm.
You don't go buy another beer
Nah,
after the one where you drink there.
This one na balance sheet. I'm a chartered accountant. Nigeria chartered me to solve their financial problem, but they're very stubborn. I don't advise Nigerian government make them make their money to be at par. At par. 1 naira per dollar. They refused. Now, I know if you buy my green bottle again. Now the problem with Nigeria. The problem with Nigeria no be monetary fraud. Their problem na monetary fund. Me, chartered accountant, where they charter to solve Nigerian problem. Nigeria dey stubborn.
Make us see what you buy.
It's not.
Just now. You say you no get anything for your hand. Now. You still say now another thing. Make us see what you carry.
This is balance sheet. The problem with Nigeria is not.
Make us see am now.
Bruno, are you a chartered accountant?
Make us see.
It is called balance sheet.
I'm at home. So how are you? What are you doing? Really? I will eat too. Yeah, so what are you making? Wait, get for me now when you're done. I know. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry. Yes, I'll see you later now. Okay. When you're done, just send me a picture or just tell me that you're done. I'll call you back then. Let me allow you to cook. All right. Bye. Mm-hmm.
Hello? Yes. Oh my god. Really? Oh yeah. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. Oh come on. I know I'm beautiful. You don't need to tell me. I know. Guess what? I have more of that kind of short skirts. I love short skirts because it shows the curve. Really?
Jackie!
Oh, sorry, it's my roommate. My roommate.
Sorry?
Okay, I promise you, I'll make it up to you.
Jackie!
Shh. I'm sorry, it's my roommate. It's my roommate. No, not at all. We're not disturbing. Actually, it's the opposite. Mm-hmm. I can't be. I love it so much. Okay, maybe when we go out. Yeah, maybe when we go out, I'll try it. Shh.
I'm talking to you. Shh. Eh?
I'm sorry, my roommate keeps disturbing. He's making a call and it's just disturbing. Oh, you want to get ice cream? Okay, I'll talk to you later. All right, my love.
And what is the meaning of that?
What is the meaning of what? What happened? What happened?
Who are you talking to on phone?
What's your business? How is it your concern? Who am I talking to on the phone? How is it your concern?
So you've grown that you talk to me this way?
You too, you have grown. You have grown. That is why your phone is ringing inside the house and you're going outside to pick the call. You too, you have grown.
Hey, calm down. We're in the public yard. You know that.
Which one is public yard? So you know it's public yard. You not take call inside house. You're taking call outside.
I went to answer business call.
Me too. It's business call I'm answering. It's business call too.
Really? So you must do if I do, right?
Yes, me and you, we are both businessman and businesswoman. We are doing business.
I see. Then why did you tell him that I love wearing mini skirts?
I'm pitching my business. That is, I'm pitching. I'm pitching to my clients so that my business will feel.
Let me see that phone.
See what? Come and see it now.
Let me see the person.
Come and see the phone. Why do you want to see the phone? How is it your business?
So you've grown, right?
I've grown.
Why did you call me your roommate?
Are you not my roommate? Because this thing is giving roommate vibe. Because if it's not roommate vibe, if it's boyfriend or girlfriend vibe, as that your phone ring, you will pick it in my front. It's giving roommate vibe. That is why you will be beating me every time. It's giving roommate vibe. That is why when we are in this house, I've never eaten breakfast on beds. You don't treat me well. You don't even call me sweet name like baby. Sugar in my tea, honey. You'll be calling me Jackie like I'm a Jackie Chan. Like I'm a Jackie Chan. It's roommate vibe, no? Because that is how roommates behave. Man to man. Because I'm a man now. We should do it man to man. We'll do it man to man.
I see.
You see what?
Your mouth is sharp.
My man, no.
And where are you going to?
Out.
Out to where? Out is where?
I'm going out.
And why are you dressed that way? Why are you dressed like an ashago?
Oh, please! Please, hold it there. Don't even bring that leg. Please! Please! I'm going out. Mind your business. I'm going out.
Who do you want to go and see?
To go and see somebody.
Why are you dressed like this as if you're going to a club or something?
And how is it your business?
Who is that person you are going to
This
go and
is
see?
my business and I want you to mind your own business.
You're my girlfriend, so you should tell me where you're going to. Eh? Who do you want to go and see? I'm talking to you.
Oga, I'm going out.
Who are you going out to see? Who are you going out to see? You are my woman. I need to know. Who are you going out to see?
Oga,
dress this way.
I'm going out. Right? I'm going out to do my business. So you mind your own business. There's food in a brown cooler in case you want to eat. Bye-bye.
house I dey do laundry. Now you wanna carry on my family generation clothes to carry me. Make I dey kill myself for how much? Jackie. Alpha, now you be this.
Na me, oh, na me.
You find die today. Oh. I beg, no kill our Johnny, oh, no kill him for us.
Who be that? Who be Johnny? See, exactly as you tell me make I dey do am. The way you say make I do am, na so I dey do am now. Exactly, I not change anything. Exactly.
No me now.
I'm telling you.
So what's gonna happen now? How things?
For now, we never dey know. You know, say it's just early. But make we dey look. Make we dey look. But I can tell you for free, say in blood don't they rise, in minds don't they day. I'm telling exactly as you talk am.
Abi. Don't worry. Just sleep just relax. Very soon. You go clear.
Bruno, this one wear clothes full ground like this. Since when you start laundry work?
Nah, business so. It's not saying like this to go there. I not go grill. I just make her change the pattern of the hustle what they do. Now they carry generation clothes come give me.
Hey, yeah, well done. Well done. It go be now. Ayo, thank you. It's not you.
What's the meaning of this? Huh?
What is what?
I don't get it. Let me start with the meat. How come you are giving me these 2 pieces of meat and then you have chicken? Did you cook with chicken?
The money that you dropped in this house before leaving, the money be like money if you cook chicken. Eh? Now wait till your money reach you the chop so. The money that you drop, is it enough to buy chicken and cook chicken and even add salad? Is it enough?
So I want to understand. Who gave you money to cook chicken?
And how is that your business? Eh? How is it your concern?
In my house? In my house? And since when did we start eating separately?
Today. We started today.
Why? What happened?
We are roommates now. And we need to be behaving as such. You know? Eating separately is part of roommate vibe. We are not lovers. So we need to start eating separately. I mean, we can also use that one to maintain each other's teas.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Yeah?
Yeah, hello. I'm done cooking. I'm eating now. Oh yes, I use chicken. I use the chicken. Oh my god. Oh, I won't choke. Okay, you want to call me back when I'm done eating? Okay. All right, I'll just give you a call when I'm done eating. Yes. Oh, you're so funny. All right, I'll just call you back. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for everything. The truth is that I'm just trying to be a man. You know how men behave. We have ego. We love to protect our own. We love to show that we are the man. We love to rule. We love to take control of everything. But This your recent behavior is not really working for me. Yes, I don't like it. I'm not comfortable with it. I'm very uncomfortable with the way you talk to men on phone in front of me. I am the man of the house. You're supposed to be submissive. You're supposed to adhere to whatever instruction I give to you. Even when I beat you, you're supposed to
Point of
behave
correction.
like a woman.
Point of correction. We are roommates. Please.
I don't want to be a roommate again. I'm sorry for everything. Please forgive me. Okay? I will change. I will not hit you again. It's not nice to hit a woman. I won't touch you again. I won't talk to you rudely. I just need understanding for us to have clear understanding. But we can only do that when we communicate. So I want to start communicating better. Please forgive me. Okay? I won't hit you again, Omalita. Beautiful one. Hey, Asa, baby mo. You're super beautiful. Look at your hair. Hey, Shakara. Shakara. Oh, please. Sweetie. I want us to be eating together. I need the old vibe. I need the old love. I want you to come back to me. What are you doing? Calling men on phone and all that. I'm not comfortable with that. I must tell you, I'm jealous. I'm a jealous lover. I'm jealous. You'll be calling men on phone. You know who I am, Odogu. From my place. Dogu. Odogu. Sorry now. Beautiful one. Asa. Look at your face. I want us to be eating together. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Let me feed my baby. My baby. Take now. Beautiful one. Take. Huh? Take it. Take it. Baby mo. Baby mo. Babe.
Oh, God.
Don't worry. Let me on the gen for you. Let me on the gen. I can do anything for you. Let me on the gen. Let's cover this and I will on the gen now. We'll come back to it. Let me on the gen. 1 minute.
Na you.
Yeah.
How you dey?
I did.
I get gist for you.
This.
You know the other time when you asked me Alpha, I tell you say I don't understand. I don't understand them now. I'm telling you, I don't understand them now.
Wow.
As I dey tell you now, that's so Johnny they beg me the other day. He tell me say he no go beat me again. He no go do like that. He no go dey talk to woman again. That's why I say And once he apologize, I say say your advice. That's why I take the advice as I do everything when you talk. My dear, now they beg me.
How?
Now they beg me.
Power.
I'm telling you.
Power! Now what? So when then now?
Come out, and as I tell you now, your phone dey on top bed. I swear to God, you no carry phone come. It dey on top bed there.
Wow. You see? I'm telling you now, you they give am space, make it a misbehave. Now it's time. The head don't come down.
Not be only that one, no. That's all the other day we dey chop. As we dey chop, him begin feed me. That thing never happened for years. That thing,
1 minute.
I'm telling you. That's why him begin feed me. As him they feed me like this, Nepa just carry light. As Nepa carry light, he say, make her no worry. Johnny on Jen for me. Jen! Inside this economy, this fuel wahala.
Hey!
Johnny on Jen.
I don't become magician.
I'm telling you. Now I say make I bring this small thing for you, make you take praise. I suppose bring 2 of these, but
Try. Thank you, yeah? You do it.
thank you.
My love doctor, Runo.
Yes, sir.
Number 1 love doctor.
Hey God, see, I'm so happy say you did this compound with me. I swear.
Thank you.
Well done. Let me help you open door. And as your hands don't full.
My love doctor.
My
My love doctor.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Hello? Hey, where you there now? Where you don't reach? 40 minutes. And then be say you just they come up for house now. Hey, they come, she dey house. She come. She dey house. Okay now.
I need solution, not calm me down. I need solution, not be calm me down matter with this. You know they see wetin dey happen. I need solution.
Not be me they carry you waka. Follow me for nyash now.
Solution go come. I don't tire o. Make she come out now. Make she come out.
You go calm down.
I dey worry now. I need solution.
Runo. You go allow person rest for this house.
Na me.
Wetin be that? Na because when you buy it, bring me food, you know, no go make person rest.
Yes.
Wait, who be this one?
Excuse me. Are you talking to me? This person solution. She talk to me.
Madam, we get plenty entrance for this place where you go follow come out, I beg.
You sure say na me she dey talk to you because
Calm down.
not the
You
same
go
person.
calm down. Runo no vex. She dey see am say na me carry am come. She get situation, you know, man problem. You know this men, they do you, they go do you, go be like say you want craze. You go be like say person want mad. Now why she dey behave like who they craze? No, you go calm down.
Okay, calm down.
So no mind now. Now mental problem. You know a man matter they be now. Wetin dey vex. Anyways, I carry am come make you help am.
Help am like say I be a destiny help, I be a waiting. Make I help am. Well, me I know they help for free again. I know they help for free. Go pay.
Do this thing for you.
As you don't come here now, she don't talk say she not dey work for free again. You don't want
Just
solution.
now just keep me for other Sundays. They do two aside.
Bruno, not vex.
Not
Not vex.
vex,
If you're
abeg.
not serious, make I go inside now. This all too much.
Okay,
How
come on.
much? How much?
Give me. Just do like 5K.
Okay. Okay. I'll give you 10K. 10K. I'll give you 10K. Yes. I'll give you 10K. Yes. You know, 10K no go reach. I go make her 20,000. In as much say I go get wetin carry me come here, I go give you 20,000. I'll give you 20,000.
Bruno.
20,000. So when we go start? I don't suffer.
I dey tell you.
I just-
Don't worry. Not dey panic again. Not dey lament. You
Make
dey solution ground.
If I tell her my problem myself, now not be you dey feel wetin I dey
My
feel
sister,
now.
you don't need to tell me your
The
solution.
man dey beat me.
You don't need to tell me your problem. I know your solution. I know your problem. I know your problem well. I will give you your solution.
When?
Even if my brain don't faint, like don't tire, the 20K could bring
You go wait
And
am.
20, which cash or transfer? Which one?
transfer.
Transfer, okay.
Open.
I go add charges to yourself.
Percentage. Me and you do business. We discuss business. No, we discuss business.
Alright. Wash it this way.
Bruno.
Eh?
Good morning.
Good morning, no. I got Johnny.
Bruno.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, no. You not go work today?
No, I say let me stay with my beautiful girlfriend now. Before another man go collect them from me.
Child.
I'm washing her clothes.
You don't do this.
Yes, sir.
Hey, this one I love her.
I love
I go love her. I go love her.
Hey, Bruno, you dey come out?
I know they come out. I just come out so I can join and I wash clothes. As if be say the bag, this bag now no resemble person when they come out, Abby.
Bruno.
I understand, my sister. I understand.
Bruno for president. Okay.
Bruno.
I become president. Now we be citizens, but they pay me monthly salary. I swear. I want to suffer for this life. Somebody needs to pay me money every month. Make I take the cool my head. I beg, make this one love will never continue. I don't want it to come back now. If this one don't fight.
I beg,
No,
I
nothing like
beg.
that. Nothing like that. We will maintain the steez. Love.
I still get clothes inside with it too.
Oh, no problem. I'm here for you. So bring all of them. I will wash for you today. I will wash all. All.
Even my panties.
Yeah. Bring it out. I'll handle it.
Accept. Me, accept. Make person just dey command me up and down. No fit do accept. I no fit. Make I call your house. For morning you go wake me up. Tell me make I go wash plates. Make I go sweep house. Make I go do everything. Now you, Abby. Come back here. Now you take my out, Abby. Come back here. What did this woman do for you? Abby, the advice I give am no work. I don't chop the money, I don't chop the money. What did I go do now? I don't chop the money. Abby, you don't carry the advice well. You don't do it well. Hey, Jesus. What's I go tell him now? What's I go tell him? What's I want to tell him now? You just can't wahala with this. Jackie will even talk the thing. Madam.
Bruno, the love doctor. I've been waiting for you. Thank God you are back.
Jackie no dey.
I not came to this party. I came to see you.
I know.
No, don't worry about it. I came to see you special. I came to tell you thank you. I followed your advice, and since then, my man has been treating me like a queen. This is my little appreciation to you. Thank you for everything. God will bless your business.
Child, thank you, ma.
You're
God
welcome.
will bless you.
Amen.
God will bless your husband too, so that
Amen.
you'll be
Amen.
giving you money every day.
Amen.
Yes.
I'll bring more money for you.
Okay.
I want to catch up with something.
No
I'll see you
problem.
later.
All right.
I'll bring more clients for you.
Bye bye. Child. I don't start this business. So love doctor business. Love doctor business. Come on.
Person the past now, this are the maturity. You know wise. Huh? How many times I tell you, I don't tell you, man, you know they give me water for this cup. Because now for tap you fetch this water. What? How you take this in me? Is they mad? Because they manage you. How many times have I told you? Stop giving me water in this glass cup. Where my bottle water there?
There was no water in the house, so I drank the water.
Okay. You drink bottled water where they purified. Can't carry bottle ordinary water from. What did they worry you? They use your sense now. That's in the past now. Go buy me water, quickly. Come on here now. Go buy me water. It's like when they say that they maltreat you. You don't know what you to do. You know wise. You know wise. People come now, they'll say what they quarrel. You don't know the right thing to do. You fool. No waste my time, or this one's strong.
Person wey say if papa no go sleep, himself no go sleep. Runa! Hey. Runa! How many times I call you? Runa! Okay. So you don't go beat mama boy pikin, eh? Now you make them no sell me drink this night, Runa. Runa, you don't finish everything what you're supposed to do for your papa. Runa, now because of you make me go drink for somewhere where they don't know me. Now so money that they collect from my hand. Mama boy, when they say drink later, for next day I go give her. You go beat him pikin, set him back pill. Runa. Runa, you don't finish me. You don't do pass, Runa, you don't do pass. You see, Runa, I know say you don't inside that house, so as you see me now here my straight to come reach you. Make you come help me go inside. Make me and you talk this matter well. I dey vex for you, but come carry me, come put for inside, make me and you talk. I no want to disturb neighbors from here. Come carry me here. Carry me, come, make me and you talk this matter bone to bone. Make I tell you, say, as you beat mama and boy pikin, peel him back. Me, I fit peel your back. You dey say drink, I dey ask you. Now you go dey say drink to me, Runa. No try this. Come carry me here. Oh. Come carry me. I don't tire from here. Come carry me. Go inside. Make me and you talk this thing bone to bone. Runa! Okay. If you see Igbo woman, make it give her more money. Oh. If you no give her money, she gonna run away. If you see Sapele woman, make it give her more gogoro. She be say make I take her the sing, make neighbor hear me. You don't say the quote finish. You... Bruno, what is this? What is this? Bruno, I dey ask you, what be this? Bruno!
Waiting now, waiting. You know see wetin I dey do?
What you dey do?
Wetin I dey do? I dey do my business. Ah.
Oh, so love doctor, now your business now. Hey! I pity the people who go come here and say that they look for you for this thing where they do so. You where no? Where your heart is strong like stone, come black like devil. Now you come to do love doctor.
I beg you, excuse
People
me.
who go come here, they look for you, then they for mortuary already.
You fit excuse me, I beg, I dey do something.
Now this your sharp man, now he go buy you one day.
Hey, he go stick by you. He go stick by you because two of us are the same.
You see, now small, and they carry my hand to put them for water, make you cool. Now it make me they come to look for you. Because I don't know who person will not get to love. Come to talk about love. What do you know about love?
Concern you. Anything what I want to do, I go do it.
No be nurse, you tell me say you want to do.
If I wake up tomorrow say I want to change my business, you go beat me. You don't go tell me what I go do.
Runa.
Because now that business they give me money, you know they give me money. Now me they feed you, now me they clothe you, now me they do everything. So don't ask me where they what thing I want to do for money. I beg go.
You see, anybody will call me say Bruno there for police station, I no go come.
No, if you go come before, you
No
get
problem.
shishi.
No tell me say police catch you. My hand no dey there, I don't dey warn you so. No tell me say police catch you.
You get anything where you go take say make you use pay me. I beg. I don't need that stress now. Now opening of my business be this. Make I no start am with vex. I beg. Dr. Rio.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. Sit down. So, what can I do for you?
It's just a small problem, just a minor issue. My boyfriend and I are having issues, so that's why I came here.
Okay. You're having issues like he's cheating on you or he's beating you.
No.
Okay, no, but wait. First of all, before any suggestion or any advice, you have to pay your money first. 10K.
Ah.
What is it? No, you don't need to say I know it's small. That it's just because I just started recently, so that's why I don't want to carry the money high.
That money too much. I don't get thank you.
You know that now thank you the easy one now. You know the advice no days and no be say the advice I will give you now no go make sense for you or no go help you for life. It will help you well. This advice now wisdom I they use. You get?
Now just advice now. Let me go to the main thing.
Okay, now just advice. Now you make you come here.
You
now,
think it too much.
Now just advice. Why you? Okay, well I just pay 5K.
No, I give you 3K. I give you 3K.
5K now.
3K do okay now.
My 5K.
What your blood though?
My 5K. 5K or you come out, I beg. 5K, sorry, ma. 5K or you go. But you get up to 10K for that place now. You call the price out. Now I don't call say 5K. I don't know. Let's go. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let's go. So your boyfriend dey do you wetin?
My boyfriend used to treat me like an egg. He gives me heaven and earth, you know. But now the whole thing has changed. I don't know what happened. You know, he no longer treats me right. I've been the one helping and supporting him, both financially and otherwise. And yet, he doesn't seem to look at my side anymore. I don't know the problem.
Okay, but you be dey stay with am for your house.
Yes, I stay with him.
You dey stay for you never pay for your bride price. And you dey stay for your house. For how many years now?
3 years.
3 years. Abeg, make I ask you one question. If you dash person something, if you dash me something, you go wan make I pay you money again. That's na. If you dash me something now, you go wan make I pay you money again.
I know.
No. So why you want make your boyfriend not dey pay you or dey treat you well? Since you don't already carry yourself for free, go put dump for your house, do everything for him. Now you want make you, what you want make you do for you when you don't already dash yourself to him? Carry yourself when you never even pay your bride price. All the enjoyment, all the love when he supposed love you when you go marry. You don't love all the love for now when you on a day relationship. If you not come marry now, the love no go date there. Because you don't carry all the love now when supposed enter marriage. Put for relationship. So where the marriage love now come dey?
Now what you cause her?
Now what you cause her now? You go carry yourself go put for boyfriend house. Person will never pay your boyfriend. You carry yourself, dash yourself to your boyfriend now. Now when he come enjoy everything, come see you finish, come love all the love. What's supposed to enter marriage now? Come love her for the relationship. How marriage go come dey? You don't see you feel you don't need you again. You don't need you. You don't get anything where you want you to do again now. So the only solution what you go do now, you go pack your things, come up for your house. See now.
Okay, so you know best I hear you.
No, be the issue. You don't want to come out in the truth like that. You still want to be there. You go pack your things. Look at see your face well. You go pack your things, come up for your house. Make him be the one where they will call you every day, and if he call you for phone, no pick up. Make you no say, say you don't offend you, say you dey vex for am true. If he call you 1, you no pick up. 2, you no pick up. 3, you no pick up. 4, you no pick up. 5, you no pick up. I be say, you go no say wahala go dey. I be wahala don dey.
You sure say you go walk like that?
You go walk now. Okay, make I give you example. Like me and you na friend now. I come pack come on your house. You come dey call me, I no pick your call. You call me many times, I no pick your. What you go think?
I go
You
just
come my
stop
house,
to
come know
call you.
what happen now. So even if he call, no look in face. Just give him time. Give him like 10 years. No, 10 years too much. Just give him like 1 year. It's too much.
I love him now.
Just give him like 3 months space. 3 months space. You will come back, come beg you.
No
Just
problem.
one.
No problem. I don't hear.
That's it.
Only that one, Abi.
Only.
All this one wey 10 midnight go work under 3 months. 3 months
And
though.
you go try to dey chop well.
Okay.
Because maybe where 12 na do together, you get body and you dey fine well. Now when you come, maybe now
I dey think about am.
you don already walk for your face. You go dey see like say you don walk for it. And you dey tie wrapper for house, abi?
Yes, I dey tell her.
How you do yourself now? You dey tie wrapper for house where you and your man dey. You dey tie wrapper. No wahala. Just do wetin I say.
You know they like all those short things.
No wahala. Just do wetin I say you do.
Okay.
You don't be my customer, abi? Don't be my customer, abeg. They come here steady, yeah? Because they give you advice.
What do you again and you call it business. Eh? Okay. Open your phone.
Can I have my phone?
You keep calling it business. Why?
Can
What
you
for?
give me back my phone?
Impute your password. Impute your password.
For what? Can I have my phone?
I won't give you this phone.
In that case, go on, open the phone yourself.
Anyway, I will keep trying it until I unlock it.
Can I have my phone?
Impute your password. You have changed your password more than 10 times in the last 2 days. Eh? What is going on?
You don't want to give me my phone?
I won't give you this phone.
Okay, so let me tell you, I will get it mad with you when you get my SIM card blocked.
Come back here. Come back here. Come and unlock this phone.
Visit your love doctor today and fix your broken home. Visit your love doctor today. You want new relationship? Did they beat you for your marriage? Did they beat you for the relationship where you did so? Did they break your heart up and down? I mean, now you want break people's hearts? Come to me. I will spice it up for you. I will tell you so many things where you go do. We go make your marriage or your relationship get better. Visit your love doctor, eh? Your love doctor. Now here they say anytime where you want, come. Visit your love doctor. I go tell you what you go do. Make them know they beat you for house. Make your husband know they touch you. Your heart stop break finish. You don't get any mortality. Come to me, and I will give you rest, and I will give you peace. Peace of mind you want? See where they stay.
Why you know they work?
No, I know the waka. I don't feel waka. I get here. Now my house is this. I get talent. This is what they do now. My talent. It's there my body. Whether I go outside, go find customer, or I stay here. Who know once? Let they go. I know they beg person because I'm my work. I know what's my do. No worry. Well, now they follow me, sir. I think they get love life. They're gonna come up with my side. They're gonna come out. Now we know what to do. Love doctor. You they get broken home. They don't break your heart finish. Come here. Come and meet me. For I am your savior. Your love doctor here.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Drop your consultation fee.
How much?
10,000.
I don't get 10,000. 5,000.
I said you can give me 10,000.
Now 5,000. Now what's again now? Give you.
Next.
Where are madam?
Madam. Madam, you can't see.
Madam, I won't come see.
Madam, you can't see. Okay. Yeah, begin to go.
Why?
Madam, no day. They go.
But now madam, they say
Okay, they go. Madam, who directs you come here?
na person direct me.
What's the person tell you?
You no tell me anything, just
Oh,
sit
yeah,
and
they
come
go
and
now.
see
They
the
go. They
person
go.
here.
Madam, no day. They go.
Why they go?
They go. Because you don't get sense. Sorry, but you dey blind. I don't know as you go to see me like this now. You see, sir, I wear white, I wear clothes, I wear this kind of clothes. You still ask me where madam dey. I don't look like madam, abi?
Everybody feel wear white now, sit down for share now. No, ma.
Okay, please, they go. If I will call security now, I don't want vex. They go.
Why they go?
When get sense, they come find solution. You they come find madam. What do you want use the madam do? You don't get respect though. You don't get respect. No make make me vex. Don't make me start my day with anger. You don't get respect. Next person.
You know the love dog. You have to.
Drop your money. What's happening?
I have issue with my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend or your daddy?
Which kind of question be that one? I say my boyfriend.
You get boyfriend?
I don't understand.
No, I ask question that you get boyfriend. Small pikin like you don't get boyfriend.
You dey call small pikin.
You will be small pikin, you not go face school. You dey face boyfriend. And now go house, go rest. Go house, go do what your mama say you. Go house. You don't get wahala. You only get problem with people when they sleep with you. No be boyfriend.
Yeah, give me my money now.
Which money?
If you don't give me the advice, better give me my money
This
back.
one I'll give you no be advice. What say make you go home, go rest, say you never reach to get boyfriend. No be advice. No be advice.
I beg, give me my money. You no talk anything.
I beg if you dey go house, help me share this flyer. Tell people say make they direct them where. Tell them say now after
Who you dey
this
talk to? Na me.
I beg now tell them say make they come say I dey help give advice for relationship.
I say give me my money back.
Small pikin like you, they get
No,
boyfriend.
they call me small pikin. No, give me my money. Okay, I don't agree. I say I be small pikin. Yeah, give me my money
Oh
back.
yeah,
now.
make I give you the advice when you pay the money. Calm down, read your book. Focus on your book. Make you graduate, become something good in life. Make your mama proud.
I don't think
Tell
say
your
me
mama
tell me
make
about
they
my
pray for
study. I say my boyfriend.
I know now. And I'm at the thing say you never wish to get boyfriend.
Hey.
Say if you face your book first, when you now make your mama proud, you'll come get your boyfriend, now will come marry. Now when you did this age, now they ask for relationship advice. If you come marry, what thing you come they ask for? Yeah, it's too small
So
for
I
this
pay you say
relationship.
me you insult me now. Eh?
Madam, they go house. Oh, they go house. I don't get talk with you.
My help you share.
Come. What class you did? At this much, una. Hey, at this age now, man don't dey hungry you. Man, now dey your mind. Man, you can't even dey get mind bring money for advice, relationship advice. And I know say that boarding school you dey go because now all of you when they go boarding, now all of you they go get boyfriend there. I know say your mama no know say you get boyfriend though. You know, she don't know. Tell her make she dey pray for you. Mama pray for me. Make my mama proud. Simple. Next. Madam never come back. She be na madam you dey find. She never come back.
Oh yeah, no verse.
No verse. What will happen?
I won't consider.
Na me you want. No, you don't know me now. Now my madam you dey find now.
Person say me come, no tell me person wey dey here. Now make I dey talk. I know say na you be madam.
I don't say your time no dey get plenty problem. Yeah, drop your money. Make I talk.
Another money again.
Which one be another money? You don't pay me before.
I don't pay you before.
Hey, that one, now the session don't expire now. You don't pay another one.
How?
The advice what I give you say na me be the madam. Say my no madam for this place. Say na me be. That one no be advice. I beg, I don't want to start my day with anger. I beg. Waiting your wife today. Waiting you they do your wife.
My wife, they thief my money, they give boys. So.
You dey thief your money, they give boys. Hey, na simple thing, na thief your money back. Or you go gather boys, give to them. Gather boys, package them, send to them. Make she thief your money, give the boys. Then make the boys give you your money. Then you go come give them percentage. That will not be business. Not a good idea.
Do that one. Go to gather boys. When they beat my wife, or when I collect.
I'm not saying they beat your wife for you. Because if they beat your wife, now you I go arrest you. Make they don't call my name. I say make you gather boys, send package to your wife. If your wife steal money, give them. Make them give you your money. Make you give them their own share. If you know sabi do am, make I do am for you. I dey do business.
That one
If I
no dey
gather boys,
possible.
yes, you go count and make I land. If I gather boys, you go stay for your wife. If the money come out, you go give them their share. Give me my own share.
That one no go dey possible.
So what they go now?
Ma dey go.
No, only that one but I get. If you dey go, help me share this one too. I beg. Dey fool yourself. Dey fool yourself, oh. Let's now get my PA.
Bruno, your papa dey front of them Okoye house again. Don't drink in there. So make you go there, go carry him.
What with this?
What to make you they shout? Why you they shout? Are you sabi? Your papa dey there. I don't know why you dey shout. Our papa don't drink again.
Which kind devil be this? Which kind witchcraft be this? Which kind thing be them swear for this man? Them swear for this man. Ah. I don't tire for this man. I don't tire for this man. I don't tire for this man. Papa.
Wetin dey happen? Na rain dey fall. Which time wey rain?
Oga, stand up from that place. Wetin dey carry you dey come for this place? Wetin be that thing wey dey carry you come for this place? Eh? You don't know your house again? You don't know your house? Dem do you? Eh?
You don come to rescue your papa again? Hey,
I no dey rescue you. Na because of people. Na because of wetin people go talk. Na im make I dey come here every time. No be say I like you or maybe say I dey do my papa good.
e good make person get better pikin or...
Stand up for that place. Every day you go drink finish. Na this place be your bed. This place resemble bed to you.
Hey,
Stand. Make we dey go. Stand up.
he said wetin happen? No,
Stand up.
Hey, come. Papa be this useless man when they come here, come they lie down every time, come they block our gates.
Which una get?
Oh yeah, give me money. What's this song? Matching grand.
Which machine ground? How to say na your house, abi?
So you don't know me. The man when get this house, now me being first son.
Which papa get the house? They mad. It is I don't know the person who get the house. No be okay you get this house. When you talk, where okay you be your father?
Now me be okay first son now.
You are mad. Maybe you two don't dey drink. No, put to the vex when this man don't already put for my head.
You see?
No try because I go just face you now.
If I use this my Korokwe slippers, slap your face, you go know how far, how distance, and how short. You see this? I don't know.
Oh, guy, you don't do. Make we dey go.
Okoye, may his soul rest in peace. When he was alive, he was my bosom and blossom friend. He became will be lawyer. He is my friend. The other one will be nurse and doctor.
See, I tell you, if you don't give me money, you know they carry this man, they come up for you. This man, when they smell like this, you don't go drink finish.
Ceasefire.
See, make I tell you, I know all Okoye children.
Ceasefire.
He get 5 children. 3 are girls, two na boys. Now the first son they are seen don't die. The last son they for school. You don't do, stand, you don't do. Stand
Say
there,
this man.
embarrass me. Stand. Don't say it's my papa now. I will give.
I go stone you like Stephen for
Don't
Bible.
my money again.
If you want me to stone you, I go commit murder. Call ambulance. Call ambulance. I go. Oh yeah.
Yeah, give me that.
I would have used that stone and designed his face. I would do him what we call artist incline, with canvas and on canvas. That boy thought that I am for Mushi for Lagos. Everybody should ask of Papa Rumo for Lagos. Huh? For Mushi, now me the belly of Mushi. Huh? The boy won't come chance me. He chance my people. I forgive him upper court. Tapando. I give him tapando. I give him upper court. I for just give him moonwalk. You know Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, as they use the drag, I use that stone. Do a moonwalk for face. Make you know, say, me, now me be ballet of for Mushi. Papa Runo for Mushi. Ah, when you hear Papa Runo, call police because my talk they let the finish her. I for kill her.
So you fit fight.
Master. When I see person when one come chance my people when they hustle for me, I for kill her. Now you cause am now. I tell you say make you call ambulance. You no gree call ambulance. As I come look your face, I can't say you don't the vex. If I kill him, you go vex. Now you make me leave him. I for kill him. They go bury him for ambulance.
Papa, what thing they do you? Why you be say you no want to do something meaningful with your life? You no want to do anything with everything what you want to do with your life now to just drink, nothing else. To pay house rent, you know they pay. Now me they pay. Food, you know they buy. Now me they still feed you. You know they even ask how all this money they take enter this house. Clothes, you know they buy. Now me they buy. Waiting you they do for this life. Waiting. You just want suffer me. You want stress me. You want disgrace me. You want kill me. Waiting I do you. Waiting I do you.
No face. I go change. Yeah? No face, I go change.
You go change.
Now me talk.
Sometimes every day you talk, you go change. If you can't change, you finish. Tomorrow you go say every day now you go change.
I don't come out my cap. Make you know, say, this one, I go change. From today, go up. I go change. I wish you say God go just give me money. Nah. Plenty money. Make I say you go nursing school where you won't do all this while. Make you just make body this with you. Eh? Now me tell you say I go change. If money come now nursing school you go. Make you come be nurse.
Money go come where you dey drink. How you dey work? How money want take enter? I go kill myself. In fact, I go run away from this house for you. Now what I go do? I go run away for you. Make you there only you there for this house, for this village. Make hunger mama you. Make I know whether you go die of hunger.
Any day when I put water for mouth, you smell them. You smell drink. Come out to me for this time. Carry me go anywhere where no get country, we no get street, we no get number. Make I lost there. Now me born you man. Now your papa they talk to you. I don't change you.
Go inside first. Go inside.
Corona. I think they say make I go here.
Nobody won't come today. Be like, men no be scam again. Men no they break out again. When we now have that business, men no come become scam. They break out.
Welcome, doctor.
Welcome. Sit down. Welcome. Sit down. Welcome. I'm a way up. What happened? What be this? You get accident?
No.
Ah, see your mouth join too. What's gonna happen? Talk to me. Talk. What happened?
This is my case.
Oh, child.
Please help me.
Child. I know they do surgery now. Now I love Dr. B. And they treat heart breakup. If you dey go through love maltreatment and everything, and that one I dey do. I know they do. I'm not be like a real doctor where they treat people.
Please help me.
I know they treat people. I know sabi treat.
Don't pay. I just need someone to talk to, please. Me?
To talk to how now? I did hear talk to me. Okay, I go talk to you. Talk to me too. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Talk to me now. Shebi you say you need somebody to talk to. Yeah, talk. I dey ready.
It's my boyfriend. My boyfriend did this to me.
Your boyfriend? Your boyfriend beat you like this?
Yes. I love my boyfriend. He loves me too.
Wait. You sit down in beat you, dey watch am, you no do anything, you no beat am back. You no carry hammer dig am head.
It's not like he's like this. I don't just know what came over him. He used to be a very sweet guy.
No, dey support. Wait, we dey here for woman talk, no be man talk. If you come here, we no dey support anybody. Your boyfriend get mind beat you like this, person will never pay your bride price, person will never marry you. Get mind beat you like this, you still remain for that place. You know dash and slap. Even if you know sabi slap, even if you know sabi fight, you know carry something where they close it up for head, run, come out for the house. You know do am. You dey look am, they even still support am on top, say he love you. If you want make her do now, since when we say you love the person they beat you, I know they give advice for this kind matter. You still love him now, because if I give you the advice now, it go be waste. You go still go back to what you want. So no need for my advice. If I tell you make you run, come up for the house now, you go refuse because you love her. What do you want me to do now?
Everybody wants me to leave him. I can't leave him. Please, you have to understand me. I can't.
Oh yeah, no, as the first one no work. Second plan what I get, second advice what I get. If this one no come work, I no get another thing what I go do. What's that your name again?
Victoria.
Victoria. Victoria, death just the single name. I swear. Now death remain for you. You don't look yourself for me, bro. Since this happened, you don't look yourself for me.
So what do you suggest I do? Please.
Now what? Where the boyfriend be?
He's at home.
This advice now you go carry boys now. Gather boys, big boys. People will get akpo. Big boys. Give them better things for hand. When they visit them for house. How far? How that one do?
Like, beat him up.
No, make they kiss him up. Make they go there now, romance am well. Praise and say, well done, no. You beat your girlfriend. They go beat him up. They say beat him up. Go beat him black and blue, black. They will carry dagger, knock off your head.
Okay. Do you think it's going to work?
The social don't end. Thank you.
Okay, I will do as he said. Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Ronald the love doctor. Run your fan business.
I
Na food be that. Adeo, why can't shop? So when you no wan follow me talk like this. See I for like come for consultation but my husband no dey gree give me money. If not,
They go make customer see what she said. Chair dey.
my dey go. See Bruno, my husband get
Now why
plenty.
you sit down for that place?
Anna, calm
No,
down.
why you sit down for that place now? Shebi if customer come now, they go just say space no dey here. Come on for that place now, make customer see road.
Why you dey do like this now? I no resemble customer. Make I sit down now. Abi you no wan make I.
Where your money?
Na what for you? You want money?
Where your money now?
Aba, you dey very very stingy. So you no dey fit dash person this thing for free. Fake. So I fit talk now, abi? See my husband get plenty money, but you no dey gree give me money o. I no know why. You no dey gree give me money. No be say you no get money. He get money, even any day wey I check him pocket, I go see plenty money, but you no dey gree give me. Bruno, wetin you think say I fit do?
You say you want to get plenty money.
Plenty.
You no dey gree give me.
At all.
You no dey gree give me money.
You no dey give me.
And you think say that one na matter. You know one, you dey do holy wager.
Which one come be only wedge again?
You know that you say you get plenty money.
He get plenty money.
You know they give you.
And
you be the wife.
Nah,
You no want to see the money.
I never think that one do.
You no want to see the money. You never think about it. You know they think about it now.
I never reason go that side before, but as you don't talk am like this now, you like say na wetin I go do o. E sharp. Abi, make I go thief money.
Sharp. Person wey dey your house, your husband wey marry you, get money. You know they give you money. You carry am come matter where they treat people where they get break up.
This one follow for break up.
No wahala. As soon as you don't pay money, no wahala. Go thief or you carry scissors, cut in pocket. Any cloth, in fact, all in trousers, go cut the pocket like this. Just cut out so that the money go dey drop. As they drop, you go dey get am.
That advice sharp. Now wetin I go do be that, but no. Now this small chinkala advice wey you give me, now you no fit dash me for free.
Abeg, come out, don't you?
Make I come.
You know say if person dey good, they always do that one. See money where you see this nonsense money where you give this small money. Now he dey say I no fit dash you. See money where person pay now.
No be small
See money where person pay now.
My hand and that person hand
You
no
know,
be the same.
you say
No, I no.
if person dey good, they look down on that person.
You don't do. No be quarrel. Make I dey go. Your food dey enter eye. Oyanda, Bruno, the love doctor. So man dey go like this, man go teach my husband money. No wahala. Oyanda, Bruno, Mbo. Hey.
People carry matter come. People carry matter come. I don't know. Let's sabi that one. After say you don't pay me, no concern me.
Papa Junior. Abeg, give me money for food. I wan go market.
Which money? You don't start again. Which money I won't give you?
Which one be which money you wan give me?
You no go chop. Abi, we no go chop again. Abeg, give me money. See, I no get time. I need to go market, go buy things so I go use cook, you know now.
Money no dey. Say ma tell you money no dey.
Money no dey.
I tell you. Say ma tell you, all this work wey don see me, I don dey do since. They owe me, they never even pay me my money. See as I dey comot so now people wey dey owe me, I wan go collect the money from.
Okay, you wan go collect money from
I dey tell you, people wey dey owe work since all this work don dey work since 2 weeks. Money no dey at all. Na so they owe me. I dey go house to house, dey collect money. Money no dey.
E no dey.
I dey tell you.
Papa Junior, money no dey.
Money no dey. You know what happen? See that rice, that 2 cup, 1.5 cup, every 2 cup wey remain. Red oil you dey abi? Don't miss am, you know that. You know that local rice. Red oil. Don't miss am. If I come back tomorrow, I promise you, we go cook better soup. No worry. Ma go collect money.
Ma just
they come here.
No onions, no maggi, nothing. Papa Junior, money no dey. Okay. I hear. Money no dey. No wahala. Papa Junior, money no dey.
Oh, that was my love. I'm baby.
Who was that on the phone?
Oh, the call?
Yes.
It's Chidi.
Chidi.
Yes.
He must think I'm stupid and dumb, right?
Babe, where is this coming from?
Your phone rang. You went in to receive the call for almost an hour just for you to come out to tell me it was Chidi that called.
Come on, baby. But it was Chidi.
So it was Chidi's call you could not take care with me, right?
I thought you were busy with your phone, so I went outside to receive the call.
This is the most silly excuse I've ever heard. You must really think I'm stupid.
Babe, stop it now. Okay, check it for yourself.
Oh, I should take your phone now, right? After you have changed your passwords countlessly. You see, this was how it started. When you cheated on me with your secretary.
Babe, come on now. Stop it. Stop it. I thought we've talked past this. I'm sorry, I told you it will never happen again.
It's really easy for you to say. Look, let me tell you. I'm leaving this relationship. Like I'm done. I am tired. Now let me warn you. I need my space. And I really, really need you to respect that.
Babe, wait now, babe.
Because they shy, they smile like this now. The face on the clear. What's happened?
My dear, you won't believe it. You see, after the last time I came to your place and you advised me, after those boys dealt with my boyfriend, he now treats me like a queen. He no longer beats me. I'm not surprised though.
I told you. My advice is clean and pure, straightforward. If I give you advice to work, once it to work.
I'm happy. Your advice really worked for me.
You're welcome.
I'm so happy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I beg no go yet. I want make we discuss something. I beg now. As I help you, it work for you. I beg make you they help other people now. Make you they bring them to me. Make I they help them.
People. I've been telling people about you now.
I beg.
My special advisor.
No, I too need the money. I need to they help people for this village.
Okay.
I beg. Tell them when they come. Direct them to my place. I beg. Make I they help them. I help.
Runo. The great advisor. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Love doctor, I don't tire for my husband. You know they use the eye see any woman wey wear skirts. I won't tire him. I need advice.
You don't need to tire him. Just the wear skirt. Wear skirt so that your husband go they also look you.
Oh, I don't tire for the marriage.
Okay. You stay where you go tire. Because me, I know they do tie here. I know they tie people husband. I know they tie people wife for here. I know they do tie and die.
Oh yeah, give me advice now. Make I know wetin I go do.
Now wetin na the advice? Na only 2 advice I get for you. Is it that they wear your skirt so that you go they look you, or I think you need to drop another money because this matter is strong. Don't be something where I go just dey talk like that. I need to think and well, think and deep. Because if you tie your husband now, me they go call home now. I know they tie husband there. So you just give me like double the money. The 5K where you drop before, no, you no go reach.
But I don't drop money before now.
Now what's not the talk say you no go reach?
How much? Anything, like I will do anything to tie my husband. How much?
I bring more money. Just any money. Just bring them. Make I just think.
I go do anything to tie this man.
Because this matter now, you know, say husband for this time country, we go see good husband. Okay, I think what if you carry your phone now? Go in contact, go delete all the woman number with the phone.
I no go fit though.
Go beat you.
He go beat me I no go fit.
Else you want make a account now? I don't give you the 2 advice. Just go collect your phone, delete all the number wey be woman number, delete them. Now only 2 way you go do.
You sure say you go walk?
Go walk now.
Okay.
Shebi na this man use him mouth for a year. Tell me say he no go drink again. Say any day where I smell alcohol for him mouth, make I carry and go lost. Make I carry and go police station. See time, see weather. You see sit down where you dey. Because I sure say na mama boy place you dey. I sure say na mama boy place you dey. Mama boy, God no go forgive you for this life. Mama boy, a boy wey be your son go be like my papa in 100 folds. Mama boy, your pikin wey be a boy go marry person wey also be like my papa. All of them go be the same. Since you be say you no wan pity my papa, and they come for all of you. No wahala.
Papa Bruno! Papa Bruno! Papa Bruno! Papa Bruno! Papa Bruno!
Now you want to call your dog and unload. What's the happen? Good afternoon.
Now let me ask you, what is the meaning of that nonsense then?
Which nonsense? What's the happen? Which nonsense?
What is that thing there in that space? That nonsense you kept there in that space?
Oh, it not be nonsense now. Now my working space is the call nonsense. Not be nonsense with that one.
Working space? Who you collect permission from before using that place?
Permission for what?
To use that place, that space.
Why go need collect permission for somebody? That place no be empty space. Empty space where fowl and go to them the shit. It go reach my turn now. I will just collect permission before I go use them. If to say I say make a shit there as the way the fowl and the goats them the shit, you go collect permission. I mean because then I walk and they do that.
Now make I ask you. You be goat? No, answer me. You be fowl?
I no be fowl. I no be goat.
Now listen, that space, if you must use that space, you pay me 10,000 naira.
Only 10,000. Kuku give me gun, make her they shoot people, they collect money. And I go start from you. Because yes, now you shout. But see, I go shout Tifo. You want to enter my house? You want to kidnap me? What's that happen? Now only me there house, you enter my house. Neighbor, so see me see wahala.
You small, you.
Now wow. What's that happen? I said I don't pay any money. What's be that? I don't pay any money. That place dey vacant, nobody dey there. Na shit full there. Na me use my hand clean all the shit wey dey there, put my things there. See, I be love doctor. Na this thing wey you dey do make all your wives wey you don marry comot.
Runa!
Yes, because you dey selfish. Anything wey they want, you no care. Na only the thing wey you want, na you dey care about. Tell me why you dey no go run. Come make I advise you. Make I sit you down, tell you how you go take tie your new wife down. No be juju. Oh. I go just talk am from mouth.
Who tell you all these things you are saying? Who tell you?
I know you well now. Nobody need to tell me. I know you.
Anyway, I don't have anything to discuss with you. I will come and see your father.
My father? My father, you want to see my father?
I will come and see your father.
Save Johnny, sir. Save Johnny. Come back, come give me my money because this advice I'll give you now. No be free. No be free. Now they do na self. Now they do na self because tell me why animal go dey use that place they shit. They shit. You don't collect money. Me wey come be one be now come use an open work they do. Work when they pay me money. You want make I pay you. God no go forgive you. Nonsense. Now only you be landlord for this life. No blame you. Nonsense. Now wetin dey kill all of una for this country? After you go say na person wey sit down for himself oh, na him dey kill you or na him dey do you. See una no dey want make una neighbor or una friends progress. Una no go ever want time. I know they do business before. I know they use that place before. Nobody don't talk anything about that place. Nobody don't even come ask that person they stay there, make they come pay, stay there. Nobody don't ever even look that side before. Pay a place where they don't even forget. Now I just start this work now. You can't remember say, this place now your own space, so come collect money. If I give you that money, make I know what it costs. If I ever give you that money, I go know what it costs. Nonsense. Una too they do for this place. Una too do. You ask whether I be fowl or I be goat. Only goat. I not be goat. Now make I know the shit. And now make me. I use my hand clear the shit where goat and fowl shit for that place. Come replace them. Who be that now? Where to be that? I'm not gonna let person rest for this place. Who be that?
That's what I'm saying. I won't accept that amount. I know the amount is tempting though, but no.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, please open your car, sir.
Where are you going?
Sir, please, sir. I want to. Sir, please save me. Open your car first.
What's happening?
Sir, please save me. Save me, sir. Close your car. Close.
Can you hear me? Oh, you can hear me?
Okay. Okay, no face.
Please, let me call you back. Okay,
no face. No face, I beg. You see any small girl we waka pass like this now? One small short girl?
No. No.
One short girl?
I didn't say anything.
One girl we call herself Rumi, the love doctor. What a woman? That girl get mine. Tell my woman. But she delete all my contacts. For what?
Yo, see, I for no even allow that girl. Come on, go peace.
I don't know why you allow this girl, but she go peace.
I fuck up. See my tell you, see my pocket. All the clothes when my wife don't see. What they even explain give you, bros.
If you catch
no
that
concern,
girl.
you no worry. See what's happening? No worry, more they go.
If you catch that girl.
No face.
No problem.
No face.
No problem.
Go.
Did you hear what those men were saying?
Yes.
I had 10 clothes and 10. What was that?
I bet make we just come up for this place because if you come back again, my life is in danger, sir. Make we go somewhere. If you like, carry me go your house, carry me go anywhere. Make we just come up for this particular place. They go come back for me. I swear to God. I go explain everything.
Okay, hey, calm down.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, sir, Naim. Since morning, 90s people don't chase me. Since morning.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, the one chop my head off. Say I cast them. Not even me cast them. Now their wives carry them legs. Come my place. Make I give them advice. Then I don't give them advice finish now. Their husband come they follow me, they pursue me up and down. How that one take concern me now? How that one take be my fault? What business are they do?
Oh, I see. So tell me, what do you intend to do now?
I don't intend to do anything again. I want quit. I know they do love doctor again. You know, carry my head, put for the love doctor. I don't do again.
I see.
Sir? You don't marry? Now, why be that?
She's my fiancée. But, you see, I messed up big time. I cheated on her a few weeks after I proposed to her. And she forgave me. You know, after a while, issue came up and we are not together. And I love her so much. See, she's the girl I wish to spend the rest of my life with.
You love her. You love her. You love her.
Yes, I do.
And she's why you want to spend the rest of your life with. But you cheat. I see where you just engage. The upper week you can't cheat. You say you love her. You want yourself. Just you play like that. If not me, you see they say she forgave you. She forgave me. Ha! Some women they trash her. If not me, it's not me you cheat on. I said to God, I go spit on your face, slap you, carry my things, come up for your house. Because you're not serious. You just put the ring for her hand to tie them down. Make she become the queen of rings. I be king of rings. Oh shit, you try. Sorry, sir. I know they say I go do am or she supposed to do am. I say na if na me, and you say no be me. So I just dey talk my own. But I understand you. Because now you say na devil work. I understand. Well, me from the things wey me I know about women, you know say women them. Get jealous. And now when you cheat on her, you know expect that if love dey 100% that time, as you cheat on her, you know go dey 100 again, it go dey 50 or 40. And another thing to say, maybe you get phone.
Yes, I do.
And you get password.
Yes.
She know your password. Doctor. She know
No.
Person wey you cheat on, she forgive you because they hide password. Wetin you want make she dey think? She go dey think say you don't carry another person for her side now, come dey lock phone. Make she know they see the messages when the person dey send, or make she know they see the kokere waka you dey do. Now wetin she go dey think now? Una no dey reason all this kind thing now. Na to just dey anything wey you see, kpakata. Na wetin you sabi. E no good. E no good at all.
So tell me, what must I do to get her back? You know, I truly love her. Tell me, anything I need to do?
Oh no, I never marry. But we will just try to calm down, try the day honest with them. If you dey anyway, she don't.
Please wait. Please just give me a minute. I will be right back. I need to.
Man, Men go whine you, but no panic. No panic at all. Just stand the ban. Because if you shake, they go chop your head. Let me fit all of them. And me.
Oh, sorry. It was an important call I needed to receive. So we are saying something.
Another thing what I want to talk. Chibi, if you dey make call, you dey come up for your wife face. You dey come up for her presence.
Yes.
The way you just do like this. Like say na normal. My brother, no be normal thing, no. No be normal thing, no. Say you get wife. You get password. She no know am. You go the answer call. You go waka comot it. You dey do like this. Are you sabi oh? Are you sabi? If I be you, you go just if you call am back. If she pick, because me, I no go pick, I go block you, block your generation, everything about you. So if she pick the call now, what you go do be say, you go beg her. And if she accept, you go dey transparent, like, maybe say if she dey look you like this, she go dey see inside your soul, inside your internal intestine. You get no lie, no do anything. They plain like this. But she don't say you don't change last. Because now they do not save. Well, thank you so much for saving my life and bringing me to your house. So now I want to go back to my house. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
It is okay. Thank you. I will do as you say.
Okay, sir. I give you advice.
Bruno. Come now, your landlord. Bruno. You see, I am not here today for any trouble. I just came to apologize for what happened the other day. Huh?
Wow, don't finish, Abby. I don't forgive you.
No, come. I bought you new chairs and table. Yes, those ones that they scattered the other day. I bought new ones. They are there now. Come so that you see them.
When you buy them? When?
Today now. I just brought them now.
You did my office?
They're there now.
You can just go see them.
Come.
You guys very smart to keep you on that song. You see, what I will do today, eh? Which kind of advice will they give my wife?
Papi, you don't come to my work and they do.
Huh?
Papi, she said,
Oh, yeah, go away,
What did I do you, eh? Come. Which kind of sense is that?
See this one.
You get my go tell my woman nonsense. Huh?
Put this girl inside back.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
Huh?
Leave her alone. Leave her alone. What's your problem? What's your problem, landlord? What's your problem? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Why are you meddling in your tenant's business?
Johnny, you better come out your face from this matter. Come out your face. You dey hear me?
Now you will go come out your face. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Allow them enjoy their rent. Eh? Allow them, no they put mouth for their business. What if they worry you?
Eh? Who be this one? What is your okay? What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
Yeah, Oga. Okay, what exactly they paying you now? I want to know. What exactly they paying you? Say she tell your wife the truth, abi? Say she reveal your wife, open your wife eye to see the truth. What exactly they paying you? I want to know. Eh? Yes, the girl they blunt, very blunt, and of course na her business, na her hustle. Now only your wife waka come collect advice. She self carry advice. She give your wife. So now your wife know what she want use the advice do. Now she want execute her. That one not concern Runo. So what make you come here come they shout they shout. What it concern Runo concern what it concern now? Abi?
Yes. She made me see my worth. She made me know how precious and valuable I can be. She saved me from the hands of a monster.
She even taught me how to be desirable.
And even you, Oga landlord, you where they talk. If not be Runo for you, your wife will don't pack leave you for this compound. Yes. Your wife will don't pack leave you for this compound. Now Runo give you advice when you take keep your wife, when you take talk to your wife, when your wife still there with you. So why they behave? Why do they behave ungrateful self? Why do they behave like very ungrateful people? You they come here, come fight.
Hey, leave here now. If I call the police, yeah. Two of you. Leave now.
You are talking to your
I
landlord.
will call the police. Who are you? Which landlord?
So as it be like ritualists whenever they see one naira.
Make una dey go. Make una dey go. Then somebody open your wife eyes. Instead of you to carry goat, come tank her. Carry yam, come tank her. Carry plantain, come tank her. You want come fight. For truth, when they open your wife eye to see.
Is that Runo? That Runo? What's that for you?
My pikin! My pikin! My pikin! What did everybody just do? They gather here. Wait. What did happen? What did make people come full here like say we did for 82 division? They touch you?
No, now they break for your eyes, Abi. Now they break. Now they break.
They touch you? Tell me if they touch you, make I do them something.
God, I don't know why you look for punishment where you go give me. You can't be to give me person when no they get himself. You want punish me unto say you carry me come poverty house. Carry me when no they get myself. Put for family when no they get themselves. Carry Papa when they drink too much. Put me in jail. Which kind of punishment be this now? You want kill me? You see you. I don't get your time. You see you. I don't get your time at all.
No,
I don't
be so.
look your face. Not be so. Now how? No, now how?
A shame.
Now shame, Abi.
Shame they catch
It
me.
is shame for your daughter. But you when they drink every day by day. You will be say if you drink finish, you go like that for that pit, waiting for that. Now me will go see, come wake you, carry you, come back your house. I know they shame for you. Oh. Now you will be the drunkard. Like they shame for me.
Oh no. I dey shame for myself. You know, see you where they hustle every day, they bring something, they come for house, you bring money, I go drink my green bottle, you buy food, give me small money for small jobs. Me, I know they do anything. As I dey like this, now who I be? No, as I dey, I feel qualified, say, person go call me person papa. I no qualify. Now it be that shame where they catch me. And I don't dey try for so many times. Say make I change. If I dey try to change, I dey see pieces. I dey carry change come, I dey see pieces. You see this time, Bruno, I don't say I go supposed to don't find solution to my problem.
I don't get your time.
Wetin I want to tell you, Bruno, I don't change for today. Anything wey go come in between me and you again. Na change I change. You hear? Na change I don change so. I don change. No knock the door. No knock. Me I dey tell you say I don change.
Just as relationship goes, right and wrong follow. Babe, no one is perfect. Myself, I'm not perfect. See, I've admitted my wrongs and I want to make it right. Thank you for coming. Please, accept my apologies. Forgive me and forget. I love you and you know it. You're the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Please, I'm sorry. I promise it will never happen again.
Get up. Get up.
I'm sorry.
I hold nothing against you. Just like you said, in a relationship, wrongs and rights follow. I just want you to always do the right thing. And I promise to stand with you through the test of time. Okay?
Thank you, my love. Thank you for accepting me. I love you. And I will always love you.
I love you too, baby.
Come here. You're funny.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You see, I want to thank you for everything you said because it actually worked.
Wow.
You know, you opened my eyes to a lot of things that I wasn't paying attention to. So thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
You see, this is my little token. Yeah.
My perfume be this way.
Yeah, very nice perfumes.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Money. Child.
You don't have to thank me. I should be the one thanking you.
Thank you, sir. It's just that me, I don't want to continue with this business. I want change them. I want to become nurse. So they look make I know whether they will feel accept me for this that nursing school. Or even if now this nurse they learn, what did they learn? What did they teach? I mean to say, I go, they will teach me. I don't mind though. They teach me how to do nurse.
Wow. Are you serious?
Everything I want, I don't want to do this kind of work again.
Okay, in that case, if you're serious and it's something you want to do, I will assist you.
You will?
Yes, I will.
Oh, Chai, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Don't mention.
Thank you, sir. God will bless you for me.
Come
God
on,
will
stop
bless
that.
your business.
I should be the one thank you, like I said before.
Thank me for waiting. I'll do anything for you.
No, you did a lot for me. I must say.
Anything.
No, you did.
Chai, thank you, sir. God will bless you for me.
So, tell me, where is your father?
My father, they're fine. It's okay. Yes.
Okay. That's cool.
Thank you, sir. God bless. Drink your Mayana.
Oh, you don't have opener?
They use opener. We don't use opener. Use seat.
Oh, don't worry.
I can open it for you.
No, don't stress yourself, okay?
Okay. No, Allah. Thank you, sir.
So, I didn't pay for consultation fee. So don't worry, I'll take responsibility of everything, okay?
You pay. No, Allah. No, Allah. Thank you, sir.
Babe.
Yes, babe.
Your phone is ringing.
Oh, my phone. Pick the call. Whatever I discuss with the person, just relate it to me. I'm very busy here.
Oh, really?
Yes, babe.
Okay. Hello. Yeah, good evening.
You brought happiness to me. You changed my life for better. Every moment spent with you is like a beautiful adventure. And I want that adventure forever. Please, don't say no. Be my wife. Say yes to me.
Yes. Yes.
I won't marry her! I won't marry her! Don't marry her! When I don't collect the ring,
Finally, congrats! You know, when the long relationship would not finally pull ring,
I don't collect
the joy. And the joy. Thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God. God delay me today. What's happened? What's happened now? Jagaba.
My son is not getting better.
Hey.
His body is very, very hot.
He is sick.
I'm telling you.
Child. Yeah. And I never get experience for this nurse thing. I never too strong. I for just give him injection. Child.
Huh?
I wish say una fit even wait for me. Make I just get the training well. Make I get my hands strong. I go inject them.
As we wait for you so that you go to school and my son will die.
No, not be say you go die. Make I just learn and quick. I be fast learner.
No, there's no problem.
There's no problem.
I'm prepared to hospital now. I'm waiting for my wife to come so that we'll go together.
Okay,
so,
you're already prepared to go.
Look at I'm prepared already.
Okay, good.
That's not how we'll be here waiting for you until you go and learn nurse before.
No, wahala. Yeah. But I beg go. No be if I learn the nurse finish now, the son no go come sick again. No, who go come they patronize my business.
Oh, you are praying for my son to sick?
No, not beside they pray. I just they tell them make una patronize me when I make my hands strong.
You can now go, please. You can go.
Okay.
You can go. It's like you're going to laugh.
Jagaban, baby.
No.
No sick, oh yeah? No sick.
Very sorry.
Wait for my turn. Sorry. Child. Jagaban, no sick, yeah?
It's like this one, I don't even know what he's doing. You are praying for my side to sick so that I'll come and call you and pay you.
animal. Your father will sick, it's not my son. Sorry, yeah?
Papa, where this man go now? Say today that is my happy day. You want to come and spoil my mood?